Yo, what's going on, champions of the universe? What is up? We're here today. I just woke up and it's like 10 something a.m. And we're gonna go today we're vlogging for like, I'd say 10 minutes, probably 10 minutes. It depends. We're gonna go today to the, basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go to the, library, the swedesboro-woolwich library, because that's where I live. And basically what we're going to do today is we're going to see something about my... So I know this is probably like, what the heck you play this? I am a huge Roblox player. I have not played Roblox because, you know, school started. And it's hard because there's lots of homework, especially because I'm in 7th grade. Basically today what we're going to do is just going to go check Roblox something if I have something, because it told me I do not have something, but I know I checked like 3 days ago. No, I'm sorry. I checked 3 days ago that I didn't have something on my account. So we're gonna go check that out, and then we're gonna go to the pastry shop, or we're gonna buy some delicious desserts or some delicious breakfast. So basically today we're in Swedesboro, and yeah, basically what we're gonna do today is just go check that out. I honestly don't know what to talk about. Shout out to my new subscriber, Nilsa Camacho. Well, basically it's Eddie Camacho. Shout out to you. Shout out to one of my friends, Gotcha Girls, Lauren Bavakwa. She has 20k subscribers. Congrats. Who else? A shout out to... I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments if you want me to give you shout outs. Alright? Oh, shout out to nope, never mind. I forgot the name. It was in my tongue and now I don't know. I honestly don't know what's wrong with me today. So we're at the old Bank of America. This is the ATM right here, where the ATM was. And yeah, basically. And this is the whole entire bank right here, as you can see. And right now we're in the main street, the King's Highway. We're about to go check that out. Wow, there's tons of white cars. Not trying to be racist though. So, Republic Bank. What? Alright, so basically this is the whole entire bank. And that's the pizzeria. Basically that's it. We're about to turn this button. You guys want to press it for me? Press it. Oh, thank you. Alright, we pressed it. Crossing the highway, crossing the street. Everything's fine. Just gonna keep down. And everyone's like, what the heck is this kid doing? He's like, what the heck is this kid doing? Is this kid vlogging? Is this kid doing a YouTube video? Like, what the heck are you doing, bro? What the heck are you doing, bro? Alright, so we're about to enter the Swedesboro-Woolwich library. And, we're going in. We can't talk that much.
basically, I just tried to check something out, and it didn't work. But it's fine. It's fine. I checked my account, and it's not there. So it actually was true that it wasn't there. So basically, I am kind of sad because I mean, come on, who wants to lose something? Imagine you have like something you love, like an account, like say even though Fortnite's dead, Fortnite account, and then you lose something, or your account gets hacked, and you had all them skins, all the V-Bucks, all them wins, and now you had to restart again, all over again. Yeah, that's basically what happened to me. It's okay, I mean, I guess it's okay, but I mean, come on. I mean, come on, who wants to get, like, hacked or something like that? Like, it's not my problem. Like, I don't get how somebody would be so cruel to hack my account. Like, what did I ever do? What did I ever do? Like, what do you mean? Yo, is that a fire alarm? There's a fire alarm? Hold up, guys. Yo, is that a fire alarm? Yo, what the heck is going on? There's a fire alarm going off. Crossing this road again. Check if there's no cars. Safety verse. Is that a Chinese restaurant or something? What the heck? What the heck? There's a fire alarm going off right now. It's pretty noisy. I don't understand what happened. It's going off. Yo. It's going off. It's just, I don't understand. Is there like something burning or something? Like that's not the, it's next to the Chinese restaurant. I mean, it's not in the Chinese restaurant, it's next to it, but why is it going off? What happened? Is there like somebody? I don't understand right now. Swedesboro, I don't understand. It's basically, Swedesboro is basically quiet. But, I mean, fire alarm? Like, I mean, same thing happened like a bunch of years ago, but I was like 1 month old, and it was like, it literally was right here. You see all them rocks right there? It was right there. Basically, it was right there, that fire. A kid was playing with matches. He lit the whole entire thing. My uncle was actually living in that building. And now the fire alarm, the Chinese fire alarm. I honestly don't know what to do. That thing's loud. I don't know if it's a Chinese restaurant that's going off or something. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I mean, the fire alarm just went off. I mean, it's crazy because, I mean, come on. Why did the fire alarm just come on? Literally. And now we're at the swedesboro-woolwich bakery. So what we're about to go in. I don't know if to pause this video or not because I don't know if they want to get vlogged or like get taped. So I'm probably going to see you guys after I buy the themajigs.
It's crazy. We're inside, and I don't know if the alarm is still going off or not. I honestly don't know. So I just went out because I honestly don't know. Hold up, let me pause this. So units of the firefighters have came, as you can see, and it's crazy. It's crazy. It's really crazy. All right, so we just finished buying our stuff. And I'm still kind of shocked because I mean the firefighters are not there anymore. But I don't understand what happened. Like what the heck? Like literally, I was walking, and then just like the fire alarm goes off. I was like, what the heck? So yeah, we just bought some goodies for breakfast, and we're about to get home. I'm about to yell, "Mom, I got your stuff!" And yeah, that's basically it. So the fire spreaders were actually right here. They're actually right here. And it was pretty crazy. I mean, come on. It was really crazy because the fire alarm went off. And I was shocked. I was literally shocked. And there's a nibby coming on right here. I'm just kidding. I won't call somebody that. So basically this is the Chinese store. And then it was right here. Literally the pethomeshopping.com. I don't know how the firefighters got in there. Oh wow, there's actually dogs. Did they get like dogs from here? Or something? Or what the crap? And here we go. Just keep on riding your bikes. There's kids right here riding their bikes. That's inappropriate, kid. I mean, it's not inappropriate. It's just now it's illegal to do wheelies here. I don't know if like the whole place is like like the United States is not allowed to do that, but wheelies. Okay. All right, so we're crossing the street. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm gonna pause this video real quick. Kids are following me, kids are following me. Oh, Chips, kids are following me. Oh, Chips, I thought the camera was gonna fall off. Alright. So we're at Bottles right now. And, Shaw. Oh, I'm tired. No, I'm kidding. I'm not tired. I just haven't ate yet, so yeah. Why is there bricks in the middle of the road? Well, not in the middle of the road, but in the parking place right here. Literally bricks. I don't know if you can see them. I don't know if I'm. And birds are having their own reunion right ahead. If you go straight, there's a bunch of birds having their own reunion. Dang. Look. I don't know if you guys can see them or not. And, yeah, that's basically it. And we're heading home. This is the best Jeep in the history. This is a beautiful Jeep. Alright, kids are not following me, that's good. Yeah, I was scared for a second. I thought it was like knocking the window on me. Alright, so we're heading home. And that was basically the vlog for today. I don't know if that was an actual vlog or not, but I just taped something and I'm about to put it up on YouTube. And I'm probably gonna make 2 videos today because for today, this one is for today, and then another one for Friday, and then maybe tomorrow, even though I'm not supposed to vlog or like tape tomorrow, I'm probably gonna do one for Thursday because I missed it because there was a bunch of homework, and there's actually homework and I still haven't done it, so yeah. Alright, so we're about to get in the house with the keys. Let's see. And we're in. Mom! Yeah, alright, see you guys. Subscribe, leave a like. Peace.